today's video, we're going to make our own dry ends conditioner and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Haven't gotten a haircut in a while? Or you have naturally frizzy hair? Or perhaps you're like me. The ends of your hair become like straw after a few days when you use a straight iron. Well, whatever the reason, dry ends can ruin even the best of hairstyles and make your hair look limp and lifeless. I do have a recipe on this channel for an oil-based hair serum, but this video is for those of you who need a quick fix for dry ends and may not have the right ingredients. And most of us have this one little ingredient just sitting there in our cupboards. All right, let's get to it. We need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. That's right, that's it. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing. It absorbs quickly and is antifungal. Of course, you can use fractionated or solid coconut oil. Simply place the coconut oil in the palm of your hand. If oil is solid, allow it to melt, then rub into the ends of your hair. Move a few inches upward, rubbing the residual oil from your hands into your hair. You can always alter how much oil to use to suit your personal hair texture and amount. But remember, less is more. You can always add more if you need it. Even if you use an appropriate amount, there will be a sheen to your hair. Allow time for your hair to absorb the oils or apply the night before. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.